Okay, Darius.
Right.
Right, so this is where when I did a consi with you,
Yes.
I put the hair system on and you looked and you said that was good.
Yes.
I'm doing the same because Darius has kindly said he would do some filming with us, and you've
Yes.
not seen your hair system, have you?
No.
This is not staged at all.
No, not yet.
Right, shut your eyes. So I'm just going to put it here, everybody. So there it is, and I'm going to do a little attachment like I do with every consi, and we've got a blind on that mirror there. So Darius can't see it, and I'm going to do the great reveal, and Darius is either going to run out the room and say, Phil, want my money back? Or he's going to smile. I like taking risks, Darius.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, like I said,
That's
you're
life.
Yeah.
You don't dare, you don't win.
Yep. So we're doing some training today,
Yeah.
and but I want to just check the system. So I'll just put a little bit of adhesive on here, and like I said, this happens in everyone that comes to see me. I've got the fortunate amount of systems that I can use to show people just how good they look. So we're back. So I'll just spin Darius around. Oh, you can open them if you like.
Okay.
So I put the adhesive on here and it's disappeared.
Yes.
So now I'm going to apply the system,
Yes.
and then I'll pull the blinds up and you say, "Oh,
Perfect.
that looks good," or it doesn't look good.
I'm sure this will be.
Right. So here we go.
These are real hair?
Yeah, human hair you've
How
got.
do they get real hair from people?
Oh, donuts. That's a good question for me to. It's a good question for me to put on camera. So generally, ladies.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's men.
Yeah.
You're gonna keep your eyes shut for me.
Yes, I am.
Yeah. Okay, that'd be great. Yeah. So generally, it's ladies.
Yes.
Sometimes men.
Yes.
90% of the time, it's ladies.
Yeah.
Okay. So keep your eyes shut for me again. So I've just put this on. It looks, this comes in 6 inches long, and the only style we can do is brush back when it's like this. But the craftsmanship on that is absolutely terrific. Right, so I'm going to turn. You can open your eyes now because you can't see anything. So I'm going to just simply put this back in a bun.
Actually, that's one of the styles I would like.
What, the brush back?
Yeah.
Yeah,
the,
we're teaching.
Tied back, yeah.
Oh, the tie back. Good for you.
Slightly. Then we can do what we want.
Right, so keep your eyes shut again. So
Yeah.
I'll turn you around for this camera there, and I'll bring this in so people can see just how good it looks. Even brush back, and the lace gets cut off on the fitting day.
Sure.
Right, so I'll come back there again. This is all good camera work.
This will be fitted today, isn't it?
Yes, 100%. Yeah. Right, so keep your eyes shut again. So I'll just do a bit of manipulating so you can see. Not yet. And like I said, this is uncut now. I say it a million times, and I'm quite boastful on this.
Yeah.
A bad hair system, not made very well, cannot look good uncut. You can open your eyes now.
Oh, okay. That is where we were last time as well.
Yeah, so it's great, isn't it?
Yeah, is that the hairline or can it come down a bit?
Oh, come down a bit. Yeah, I've just put it
down here
a little bit more. Yeah, it can definitely come down a bit.
Yeah.
But you can see, even just plonked on.
Yeah.
Look at that, dashing.
Yeah, it's quite good, yes. Thank you. Thank you.
Really good.
Thank
Look at
you.
the colours. Nice.
See the colours of it.
Spot on. Have a look. It's absolutely identical. So this is uncut and brushed back.
Yeah, sure.
So I'll show it to the camera. You can't see this bit, but you can see the darker bits because I've held it back. You may be able to see it. Just the darker bits here, and that will blend in when that's all cut in perfectly. So I'm absolutely delighted with that.
Okay.
And head back a bit.
Okay. tell me when you
That's
want to
it.
flash it.
That's a thumbs up.
Yes.
Right,
Yes.
there we go. So what style are we doing? Just go in a reasonable length. Zoe's got a beautiful voice, Darius, but she doesn't like speaking on camera.
Okay.
So a simple style,
Simple
yeah?
style, yes. Simple style.
Simple style.
Yes.
Yeah, because
Simple.
Darius is a busy man, restaurateur and nightclub owner, and he said, Phil, if you don't give, if this isn't simple, it's not going to work for me.
Yeah.
So my look is simple, isn't it, Zoe?
Yeah.
And I seriously don't have any problems at all. So we're going to do a tape attachment,
Yes.
something that's functional,
Yes.
that fits in with Darius's lifestyle.
Yeah. Yeah. Easy.
This could be the swoosh. So he's putting the template on, and the cut on the sides, good cut, Zoe.
Mhm.
Shall I tell you why? Because you've got left room for the swoosh, haven't you?
Mm-hmm.
Just marking out the template because that's where the hair system will sit. Right. You can even see your freckles through the lace.
Mm.
That's how good it is. Oh, again, okay.
As long as we don't see the hairline.
No,
Yeah.
no, that's really good. Even on tapes, it looks incredible. So when you make your YouTube debut, Darius, I'm going to ask a question. Should Darius keep his hair system on and get a poll? Yeah. And then when it comes back and 95% of them say yes, I'll send you the link so you look.
Oh, that'd be good. Yeah.
Because already it's coming together nicely. Yeah. But while we've been talking, and you get to see this video, Darius,
Yes.
we're watching incredible close-ups of how this lace looks on your skin, haven't we? It looks
Yeah.
amazing.
Yeah.
That looks fabulous, doesn't it? Hey, Zoe?
Yeah.
Yeah. Really good. Come on, handsome. You look boyish. Look at this. I can't wait. I can't wait to send the video link to you. That looks amazing.
I think we're looking at 30 years young here.
Look at that.
Amazing what hair does to people.
Look at that. You're struggling not to beam with happiness.
Yeah, it's very, very good. I'm very pleased. She had it a different style. That was pretty good as well.
Okay, go for it. You got young.
I can't believe it.
Yeah.
I can't believe we got.
So that's the easy
You
style.
can look young. Who wants plastic surgery? All that money I spent.
Oh yeah. Right. That's it. That look there is that it looks really good,
Yes.
and it's the easiest look to self-maintain and to look.
You know your business, Phil. Yeah, well done. Thank you so much.
That's the style I like to go round in.
Yeah.
But because I got to have it slightly up so people see the hairline. But if I had a choice, I would walk around with that style. Exactly like that because it suits my face. Because I've got like a roundy face.
Yeah, and you can't see any difference.
Nothing.
No, it's very good. Thank you
Fantastic.
so much. I'm grateful. Thank you.
Haven't shown you back yet.
Oh, wow, yeah. Yeah, can we go a bit nearer so
let
you
me
see?
get
There is no definition, is it? As in, you
Brilliant.
can't tell, can you?
No.
You can't tell. It blends in nicely.
Brilliant.
Yeah, that's
Look at
brilliant.
that.
Thank you so much. Yeah, I like it very much.